Hello and welcome to my Things to Do DIY Easter Cross. Spring is here. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know when new videos have come out. Green bell pepper and red bell pepper. I got roll in there. Yes, it's bell. It's a combination of red and whatever. I don't know.
Red and bell.
Red and bell. Got it. The supplies for this DIY was very inexpensive. A wooden cross from my local craft store for $1, foam beads from the Dollar Tree, foam faith stickers that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, puffy white paint, and tacky craft glue that I already had at home. This entire project was of about $2.50 total. First thing I did was take my tacky glue and spread that all around the inside of my cross. With the help of my paintbrush, I made sure to get into each and every little corner because I want to make sure that those foam beads stick very well to the cross. Next thing I did was to open up my bag and turn it upside down onto the cross. Just pour those beads everywhere. Press down to make sure that they do stick. And any little holes that you see, just grab a handful and press down some more. The next thing I did was to take my puffy white paint and go around the edge of my cross. You don't have to use puffy white paint. It's what I had available at the time. Plus, I like how the puffy paint stands up when it's dry. I took my faith stickers while my paint was still wet and placed those on the cross so that the paint would help to adhere the stickers to my cross. And with the one in the middle, I just took the puffy paint and painted the back side of my sticker so that it would adhere itself to my little puffy balls. This is a perfect Easter wall hanging as well as all year round. My things to do today was a DIY cross for spring and Easter. Make it your things to do too.